Hi, today we're going to look at some simple functionality in Excel that allows you to lock the cells used in a formula. This then allows you to drag the formula and auto-populate results maintaining the correct formula as required. First, click in the cell you want to populate with the simple formula required. Let's say we want to add up a row to a column of data and generate a matrix of results. When we drag the formula across the columns, we can see that the column being added in is no longer correct as it shifts across with each cell dragged to the right. Let's try that again, but this time we're going to insert the dollar character just before the row reference that we want to lock in the formula. Now, when we drag the formula, the column being used in the formula maintains its correct location. The same thing happens if we then try to drag the formula down through the relevant rows. The formula no longer maintains the correct row reference. Once again, let's use the dollar character, now a formula, but this time placing it just before the row reference that we want to maintain in the formula. Now we've locked both the correct row and column in our formula, we can drag the formula to cover the whole matrix of results. Thanks for listening. Join me again for more quick Excel hints and tips.